And we're going to do it with some energy, yeah? Okay? So right, let's try again. Bang!
Wow!
Flat!
Kapow!
Boom! Awesome! Right, now, they did a lot better that time, didn't they? Well done. Now, there's two cards. Let me just show you pieces of paper. It's quite hard. There's two on there. They're a bit odd.
Okay guys, we're at Picademy Bath, and this is the winning table, of course. So over there we have Danielle from Wales, Ollie from South Africa, Sophie from Cornwall, the old Mike from up north, and he's just sorting out down here. He's getting the microbit to control one of the robots, okay? So we've got some Python controlling it. We've got an Explorer hat on top, etc, etc. So it should go super. Trouble is we've run out of power packs. If I go over here and show you what the girls are doing. Right, they're using the crumble, okay? So if we come down here, hopefully that's at the pretty great. Oh look, a Mac, wow. So we've got the crumble there on a 2-trolleyed lorry, we're going to call it. It does move, although they tried to make it bigger, but it was just too heavy. And we've got lights at the front for indicators. You can say.
At the back, indicators.
That's the back, okay.
Yeah.
So are they stop lights?
Yeah. No, just the indicators to left or right. Well, actually just right in this case.
Bearing in mind, the rugby was on earlier, and they're still friends. Yeah, great. Sophie is a complete beginner and has learnt lots over 2 days. And Mike's got his coat head on, so we're going to leave him to get on with that. So Ollie, what did you make of this weekend?
It was brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Totally recommend it.
Did you recommend it?
Yes.
Would you come again if you could?
Yes.
And what did you really learn?
Well, learned a lot more about Pi, how to do physical computing, the fact of using, meeting friends as well, making friends and stuff. So yeah, that was really good.
Fantastic.
Yeah, same thing. Brilliant opportunity. Brilliant that it was all free.
We like free, don't we?
Yeah,
Free's good.
Freebies. Yeah, brilliant time to share ideas with people who are like-minded. And yeah, that's it.
Thanks for your time. Okay, Jill, what did you find about this weekend?
That was a great weekend. Everyone worked really well together. It was a very collaborative spirit. People made some amazing projects, and I think people will stay in touch for a while.
True. And you, Vivi, what did you learn about the weekend?
Oh, fantastic learning experience. I learned a lot about Raspberry Pi, which I never knew before. So, yeah, great fun working with people.
Will you both be coming back to, say, Raspberry Jam in the summer?
I might, yes.
Yeah?
I might, yeah, I'd love to. Yeah, get my kids involved.
Yeah, so that's a must do. Children in.
Get them. Yeah.
Thanks very much for your time. Bye! Anyway, really good weekend at Bath Uni. We're all going home now. And it's just starting to get cold and dark. Anyway guys, that was a really good weekend. Really good weekend. We all enjoyed. Time to drive home from Bath. Back to my house. This campus is enormous, guys. Enormous. Enormous. It's great. Sneakers in, looks out. Bye bye.